Hello everybody, my name is Elwood McMurray. I'm an application engineer here at Shiny 3D. I'm based in the California office, and today I have the special opportunity of walking you guys through our EinScan H software that focuses on cranial scanning. Before we begin, I want to say that this software was designed to be used by users that have little to no scan experience with 3D scanners or 3D scanning in general. So we want staff members to come in and scan patients who are typically babies between the age of 4 to 18 months. They come in, and our goal is to have them use the software, collect the data as fast as possible, and quickly align it and export it into a third-party software. Before we can begin scanning, it's important we prepare the patient, aka the child, to be scanned. Typically, we recommend using a black cape if you're having issues aligning the data when you are scanning, but this varies case by case. Next, we have a cap, which is used to cover the child's head to avoid the impact that hairstyles have on the head details. Now that the patient is prepared, next thing we'll do is begin by creating a new patient folder, and this is where our data will be organized, and you can place it in your preferred destination. With this folder created, we can now start scanning. And as mentioned before, since we want the scanning process to be as simple as possible for everyone, we've already pre-selected the scan settings for users. So all you have to do is collect the scan data. Some tips for you guys when you guys are scanning is you can press the play button once, and that will activate the preview mode. In the preview mode, you're shown exactly what the camera sees via the camera preview in the left screen of the computer, and also on the software it shows you a gray box. Here is when you can start adjusting the brightness using the button panel here, and also the distance you're scanning at. So once you select the optimal scan distance and also the right brightness for your scan environment, you can press the play button again, and the scanner will start picking up on data. And then from now, when you are scanning, you want to make sure you're thoroughly scanning one area and then slowly moving along until you see the data turns green via the data quality indicator. After collecting the scan data, you'll notice that there is some unwanted data. Seeing as we're focused on the details of the head, we'll go ahead and delete this data by using the built-in lasso tool. To use the tool, simply hold the shift, left mouse button, and select the data you want to delete. Once selected, the data will be highlighted in red. Click apply. After editing, we can now generate the point cloud and the mesh. As mentioned before, since we want this process to be as seamless as possible, we've also pre-selected the mesh settings, so with one click, you're able to generate the point cloud and the mesh. A new feature we recently added to the software is the quick align feature. This will allow users to quickly align the data by facing the scan data in a desired oriented view. Once the desired orientation is made, select apply, and now the coordinate system is reset based on that view, which you can see in the bottom right corner. With the mesh created, we'll now go ahead and save it to our desired path. Now we're able to export the data to any external software we'd like to use. The development of this software was possible due to our scanner's involvement with Embed Medical's CRO project. You can find this software through the Shiny 3D Passport page or our download center. This software is only compatible with the EinScan H and EinScan H2. If any further support is needed, we encourage users to reach out to our support center, and our support team, which includes myself, will be more than happy to help you. Now that we showed you a walkthrough of the software, we'll now show you the complete workflow from scanning to creation.